Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Lightroom photos to your phone. If you don't know how to download the photos that you have just edited on the Lightroom, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Then edit the photo however you want to edit. Like this, you can add the blur, you can add the vignette and effects. You can also crop the image. Now choose whatever you want to edit to your photo. Then here you can find the option of share button at the top right corner. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the save copy to device option. Now select it. Now you can see the photo has been downloaded. Now go to your gallery and see the photo has been downloaded. And that's it. This is how you can download the Lightroom photos to your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.